Alright, here we go. We have a actual refrigerator to work on today. It's a Whirlpool, and you can see that's your freezer compartment. And now you got a fresh food compartment. And for the good refrigerator, the temperatures should be around 40 degrees, as you see. So that means this refrigerator is running very good. And as you see, this typical refrigerator, you have the temperature control on this side, and on this side you have a damper control. Hot point don't have it. Whirlpool does have this, and it controls how much air, how cold you want in your refrigerator. And you got your refrigerator light, and you got the door switch. And on your refrigerator, on your freezer, this is your evaporator, and that's your evaporator fan right there. And you have ice maker connection if you're gonna connect one. So let's look at the refrigerator component, the temperature control, the damper, and the defrost timer in your refrigerator compartment. Okay, as I got Mr. Nelson here from Park Creek in Gainesville, Georgia, gonna be my assistant. He gonna disassemble the fresh food refrigerator compartment to look at the inside. As you see, this gonna be your temperature control. This one is your damper. As you see, it's go all the way back there to control the damper, how much air is allowed go into your refrigerator. And closer, you're gonna see that's your defrost thermostat. And this typical refrigerator, your door switch is on the side. Now let's look at the freezer compartment. As Nelson gonna take it out. We're gonna take off the back panel. First, we're gonna take off the bottom part. And remove the back panel. And you can see right here, this is your evaporator fan motor and fan blade. You see right there, that's your defrost thermostat, or they can call it terminate thermostat. As you can see right here, that's your defrost heater is at the bottom of your evaporator coil. And as you can see, all the coil is frosting evenly. So that means you have very good freon amount in the evaporator coil, and this unit is working fine. As you see right here, that is your drain line for the evaporator drain. This is the tray to catch the water drip down and drain out to that hole right there, go to behind your refrigerator and on the tray, and it's gonna dry out by air or by the heat source from your compressor. Okay, you see the refrigerator now. As we said earlier about the defrost thermostat, it's open when it's room temperature, it's closed when it's cold. So I got Nelson gonna open it and test the defrost thermostat. See if it's closed when it's cold. But first he gonna, for the safety reason, he gonna turn the power off to the refrigerator, so we can do some tests. It's simple. He turned the power to the temperature control off, and then he unplugged the power off from the outlet from the wall. And now he can test the defrost thermostat. He's gonna remove the wire and continuity test it. As you hear it, it's closed because the freezer is cold now. So that means the defrost thermostat on this one is good. And it's for the demonstration. Nelson gonna remove it and install another one for us to see. So Mr. Nelson, please do that. As you see, he removed 2 wire nuts and unhooked the clamp on the evaporator coil, and take off the defrost thermostat, and then he's gonna put back a new one. Put it back. He's gonna reclamp it back on the evaporator coil. He's gonna tie the wire back down. But there is an important thing I want to mention, so everybody know. When you work anything inside your evaporator, you know there's a moisture and water. So as the first, when Nelson removed the thermostat, as you see, somebody was using the regular wire nut to connect the wire together. That is a no-no. It's wrong. This wire nut is not for moisture and it's not for water tie, so we cannot use this wire nut. To order to use the right wire nut, this is the kind that we should use. It's a watertight wire nut. You can purchase this from your supply or Home Depot or Lowe's. They should carry these. And this is a right wire nut for anything you work inside your evaporator coil. So Mr. Nelson is gonna go ahead and proceed. Reinstall the terminate thermostat or defrost thermostat with the wire nut. As you see right here, Mr. Nelson has already reinstalled the defrost thermostat and clip it tightly on the evaporator coil, and he reinstalled the 2 new wire nuts. That is the right one for the where is moisture and water. So next I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the defrost heater and replace the evaporator fan. As you see on the defrost heater, you got a clamp right here to support the defrost heater, and you got the clamp here, and you got a stud clamp is over here, and your wire is running up this way and connect right here. So first we're gonna do is make sure all the power is disconnect, and they all disconnect, so it's safely now for us to work on the unit. That first is unhook the wire, and as we mentioned earlier and do the testing, how to test your defrost heater, and make sure you turn your multi-voltmeter to continuity, touch your probe, you hear it make noise, and touch from here to here, and you hear it make noise. That means your defrost heater is good, it has a continuity. Let's take this off and reinstall it, so that's why we know how. First we're going to remove the wire from this clip up here. Remove the foam pad right there. And then you're gonna turn the clip. Turn that clip. Let me get the needle nose real quick. See your needle nose? Open this up. You can pop it out. Carefully remove it. Now as you get a new one, put it back. Slice it in here. Pop it back in. You're gonna bend the clip back. Bring your wire back up and pop it in the clip. The wire stay behind there, and reconnect your wire. And that's how you take off and replace your defrost heater.